just went to my old house to pick up some stuff for tonight's event. Yeah, you see some jumpsuits in there for sure. I have a lot to do today. So much to do. So, Annette had a cancellation last moment, and here we are doing my hair. Hi! Put your head down, because it's tracking my face, so it won't like...
Hello!
But like, look how cool, like when I move,
that's amazing.
It like follows my face.
This is insane. So cool.
Yeah. Great. Finally, my hair's done. You know how like when you have your mind set on like how your day's gonna go, if like something changes, there's a wrench in it, it can like throw your whole day off. Like, I didn't drive down south thinking that I was gonna get my hair done, you know? So, I didn't really plan for it, but hair's done. That way I don't have to drive down tomorrow. I'm rushing home to get ready for tonight's event. Y'all know that I found another reason to wear the sequins jumpsuit. So, I'm pretty much ready to go. Just waiting on my date. I haven't won fall season in a long time. I haven't filmed in a long time, but I'm super excited. And look, ready to disco the night away. Where are we going? We could be murdered at any time.
Because you're what?
I'm taped in.
Thank you so much.
Every person that's it? Thank you. Signing away your life right now. Of course you did. admit it. I don't even know how I recovered. I almost felt so bad. I was like, whoa!
Was it my fault though?
That was fun.
So, it went really well, except for me falling. But it wasn't my fault, even though I am clumsy. Some people were skating backwards and they literally just skated into me just standing there, minding my own business. No one else is around. Just plowed into me. And I took a fall. But I recovered.
Quite gracefully.
Yeah, skated a little more. Got some beauty blenders, stash. Very excited about that. Still want to marry me?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even if you can't roller skate.
I can rollerblade.
Yeah.
You can't roller skate either.
Nobody roller skates anymore.
Well, those people do.
Apparently those people did.
I limited my beverages for the evening because I'm taped into this outfit. So I can't wait to get home and break the seal.
Yeah, roller skates and alcohol are not a great mixture.
No. I'd say that's the first time I've ever drank and skated at the same time.
Yeah. I feel like I want to say the same, but skateboarding, if skateboarding counts, then not really.
So, why is it that you want to marry me?
Putting me on the spot on camera. As I told you, I never had anybody take care of you the way you take care of me. I always want to come home to you.
I'm gonna make it.
I hope so.
I am.
2 inches away from the door.